Hello students, today we will learn prepositions. This is an important topic for exams and daily communication. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun. It shows relationship with other words in a sentence. Example, the book is on the table. A preposition connects a noun or pronoun. It shows position, time, direction, manner or cause. Preposition plus object equals prepositional phrase. Example, in the room, at night, under the table. Object of preposition is always in objective case. Correct, between you and me. Wrong, between you and I. Prepositions make sentences meaningful. Important for exams and daily English usage. Simple, double, compound, phrase, participial prepositions. Shows where something is. Examples, in, on, at, under, above. In on at place in is equal to inside space on is equal to surface at is equal to exact point. Prepositions of time shows when something happens. Examples, in, on, at, since, for. In on at time at is equal to exact time on is equal to day date in is equal to month year period. Since versus for since is equal to point of time for is equal to duration of time. Direction shows movement. Examples, to, into, onto, across. Manner shows how something is done. Examples, by, with, in. Cause shows reason. Examples, because of, due to. Agent and instrument by is equal to doer with is equal to tool. Confusing pairs in verses into on verses onto between verses among beside verses besides. Fixed prepositions good at, afraid of, interested in listen to, depend on, apply for. Tricks use objective case remember in on at use since and for correctly. Common mistakes on Monday not in Monday for 3 hours not since 3 hours among for more than 2. Conclusion prepositions are small but important. Practice regularly to master this topic. Thank you students, Jai Hind.